Alrighty, let's unbox this thing. So, I believe this is a Honda Civic from AliExpress, because I ordered one, but I also ordered a bunch of other cars, so I only ordered one this size, so I assume that's what this is, so. And here's my dog, too. She's going to be joining me. There we go, that's the box I sent it to you in. Oh, thank you, AliExpress, yeah. Thanks for, or I guess it's not really AliExpress's fault. Thank you, people who handled the shipping. Yeah, thanks for taking care of my goods here. Yeah. I can see you, really went the extra mile with that one. Knife. Heck yeah, dude. Here's what it looks like. Oh, with the packaging. Dude, this was a dream car of mine. This was like my dream car. Like the one dream car. Now it's a Honda Insight, but I still do love the white Civics from this year and everything too. So I was so lucky I found a 136 model on AliExpress, because I don't think they make 1/24th scale versions or 1/18 scale. Maybe you know what, they do make 1/18 scale versions, but this is the only one that I wanted to buy because it was affordable. This was like $14 on AliExpress. The trunk opens. Yeah, there we go. Dude, this is awesome. 1/36th scale. I love that. Now, that's a shame. The hood doesn't stay open, like, all the way. But it stays open enough to where I don't care. It's okay. And the engine, yeah, there's a detailed engine underneath. You can't see it too well. It's bad lighting. I just got back from work and found the package, so decided to do a video with it. But that's what I have. Dude, I love this. Oh, maybe not. Is it? I guess they aren't pullback wheels. Right? Yeah, I don't think they are. Yeah, no, they're not pullbacks. Never mind. Awesome. Thumbs up.